Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be diving deep into how to install the Performance X Pro Magisk module on your rooted Android phone. This module is a game changer for those seeking to unlock the full potential of their device's hardware. Performance X Pro is one of the most popular Magisk modules available, and for good reason. It offers a comprehensive suite of optimizations designed to enhance various aspects of your device's performance. From gaming and multitasking to battery life and overall responsiveness, Performance X Pro can make a noticeable difference. Now, let's get to the exciting part, installing Performance X Pro. Here's a step-by-step guide. Ensure your device is rooted. Download the module from the video description. Open Magisk Manager and go to the Modules section. Tap the Install from Storage button to add a module. Select the Performance X Pro module you downloaded, tap Install. After the installation is complete, reboot your device for the changes to take effect. This module can increase frame rates for smoother gameplay, minimize input lag for more responsive controls, optimize RAM usage for better multitasking, enhance CPU performance for demanding tasks. Once your device has rebooted, you can open Magisk Manager and go to the Modules section again. There, you'll find the Performance X Pro module. Tap on it to access its settings and configure the features according to your preferences. By following these steps and carefully configuring Performance X Pro, you can significantly enhance your Android device's performance and enjoy a smoother, more efficient user experience. Remember to experiment with different settings to find the optimal configuration for your needs. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.